was jurist, social reformer and politician. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. Throughout his life, he fought for the right of Dalits and other backward classes. Ambedkar was appointed as India's first law minister. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born to Bhimabai and Ramji on 14 April 1891 in Mahoo, Central Province, Madhya Pradesh.
गुड मॉर्निंग एंड हैप्पी भीम जयंती। तो दोस्तों आज है 14 अप्रैल और आज का जो ब्लॉग है वो एक्चुअल में अब शुरू हो रहा है। तो मैंने जैसे आपको कहा था कि भीम जयंती सोसाइटीज में कहाँ हो रही है हमारे इलाके में, तो वो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाला हूँ। और मेरा ड्रेस किसी लग रहा है बाय द वे, साथ ही साथ मैं ये फेटा भी पहनने वाला हूँ। इनफैक्ट जब मैं रैली में जाऊंगा मेरे एरिया में जहाँ पर मैं पहला रहता था उल्लासनगर में, तो वहां पर जब मैं जाऊंगा रैली में तो ये फेटा पहन कर जाने वाला हूँ। बाय द वे दिख कैसे रहा है आप बताओ। जय भीम जय भीम। तो दोस्तों आज का ये ब्लॉग शुरू करते हैं। जय भीम। नाउ गोइंग टू माय सिस्टर्स हाउस, वहां पर हम लोग वंदना लेने वाले हैं। देखो तुम भी अच्छी दिख रही हो ऐसे, है ना? थैंक यू सो मच। एकदम अम्बेडकर राइट।
वो तो हो गई हूँ, क्या कर सकते हैं।
क्या कर सकती है? What do you mean क्या कर सकती हो?
हो गए ना हमारे।
ओहो जय भीम। यहाँ पे रंगोली। अरे बाप रे, जय भीम ताई। और यहाँ हमारे डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर जी। गुड मॉर्निंग भाऊजी, जय भीम। मग झाली तयारी?
तयारी एकदम झालेली आहे आणि खाली जायचंय। आधी आपण बुद्धपूजा घ्यायची की खाली जायचं?
नाही, अगोदर वंदना घ्यावी लागेल ना, आणि कार्यक्रम सुरू झालाय, आपल्याला लवकर जावं लागेल। आप लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूँ, जो प्रोग्राम है वो शुरू हो चुका है। यू कैन सी फिर भी पूरे लोग नहीं आए, यहाँ से मैं देख पा रहा हूँ। नहीं आले थे ना अजून।
नहीं बराबर है, बराबर है। नमो तस्सा भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्सा। नमो तस्सा भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्सा। नमो तस्सा भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्सा। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि। पाणातिपाता वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि। अदिन्नदाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि। कामेषु मिच्छाचारा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि। मुसावादा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि। सुरामेरयमज्जप्रमादखाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि। साधु साधु साधु।
भवतु सर्वमङ्गलं रक्षन्तु सर्वदेवता सर्वसङ्घानुभावेन सदा सन्ति भवन्तु ते इचितं पतितं तुल्यं नित्यमेव समेधितु सभे पुरेन्दु चित्तसङ्कल्पा चन्द्रोपन्नो रसो यथा आयुरारोग्य सम्पत्ति संग सम्पत्ति एव च ततो निब्बान सम्पत्ति विनाते समेधितु साधु साधु साधु। जय भीम, नमो बुद्धाय।
Good morning to everyone. Today 14th April, on this auspicious occasion of 133rd birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, I, Venkatesh Ramamolda, would like to present a speech before you. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was a political leader, jurist, anthropologist, economist, historian, orator, writer, Buddhist activist, philosopher, orator, writer, and scholar and editor too. He was born to Bhimabai and Ramji on 14 April 1891 in Maho, Central Provinces, Madhya Pradesh. His father Ramji was a Subedar in the Indian Army, and after his retirement in 1894, the family moved to Satara. Shortly after this, Bhimrao's mother passed away. Throughout his childhood, Ambedkar faced the stigmas of caste discrimination. Hailing from the Hindu Mahar caste, his family was viewed as untouchables by the upper classes. Even in schools, the teacher told Ambedkar to sit outside the class. Whenever he was thirsty, the peon used to pour the water from a height without touching his body. Once, he and his elder brother had to travel to Goregaon, where the father worked as a cashier, to spend their summer holidays. They got off the train and waited for a long time at the station, but their father Ramji did not arrive to meet them. The station master seemed kind and asked them who they were and where they were going. Bhim told him that they were Maoists. Listening to this, the station master stirred. His face changed its kind expression and he went away. Bhim and his brother decided to hire a bullock cart, but the cartman heard that they were untouchables and wanted nothing to do with them. Finally, they had to pay double the usual cost of the journey, plus they had to drive the cart by themselves while the driver walked beside it. Ambedkar faced many struggles in his childhood. In spite of these difficulties, he thought education is the only weapon to beat them all. Therefore, by 1908, he passed his 10th class from Alpeston High School, Bombay. In 1912, he obtained his degree in Economics and Political Science from Bombay University. Later, he passed his MA exam in June 1915. In October 1916, he enrolled at the Bar Course at Gray's Inn. Later, he obtained a scholarship from the Gaikwad ruler of Baroda, King Sayajirao Gaikwad. Then he went to London. He received a PhD in doctorate from London School of Economics, Columbia University in 1927. Perhaps he was the first Indian to get a doctorate PhD. Later, he was appointed as the principal of the Government Law College, University of Delhi, and he was also the governing body of Ramjas College, University of Delhi. As a Minister of Labour, he served as the Defence Advisory Committee and the Executive Council. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was one of the greatest legendary reformers of India, who lived his life for the betterment of the people. He believed in the principal values of humanity like equality, fraternity and freedom. He always used to say that inclusion of principal values like equality, fraternity, freedom was not the copy of other countries. It was actually derived from India. These principal values belong to Lord Buddha, which were later included in our constitution by him. He architected the constitution of our India. But this legendary reformer died on 6 December 1956 as he was suffering from diabetes since 1948. गुजर गए वो मेरे भीम, कर गुजर गए वो मेरे भीम थे, दुनिया को जगाने वाले मेरे भीम थे। कर गुजर गए वो भीम थे, दुनिया को जगाने वाले भीम थे। हमने तो सिर्फ इतिहास पढ़ा है यारो, इतिहास बनाने वाले मेरे भीम थे। We all know that his entire life was full of struggle. But his main weapon with it is feeling was education. He gave education the highest place in human life. Therefore, he quotes in his book, if you want to bring some change in your life, education is the first and last resort. Bhim, no matter how many words are written about him, words and pages are not enough to cover every aspect of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. No matter how many words are written, they are insufficient. So in true sense, he is father of modern India, father of social justice, an architect of constitution, symbol of equality, and of course, symbol of knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Bhim.
जय भीम जय भीम.
Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was jurist, social reformer, and politician. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. Throughout his life, he fought for the right of Dalits and other backward classes. Ambedkar was appointed as India's first law minister. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born to Bhimabai and Ramji on 14 April 1891 in Mohor, Central Province, Madhya Pradesh. His father, Ramji Sakpal, died in Bombay in 1912. Throughout his childhood, Ambedkar faced many struggles. Even in school, the teacher told to sit outside the class, and whenever he was thirsty, the peon used to pour the water from a height without touching his body. And the reason for all was only that he was untouchable Dalit. But in spite of these difficulties, Ambedkar studied very hard and received the best education in the world that no one could achieve it. Ambedkar took admission to Mumbai High School in 1907. Ambedkar passed his high school examination. After that, he obtained degrees in economics, political science, and later he went to London in 1960 to get his doctoral degree. Ambedkar became the first law minister, and despite his literary he gave a strong law to India. Then his written constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. And in addition to this, the Reserve Bank of India was established with the view of Bhimrao Ambedkar. He taught the people to fight for what is right, coming from the lower caste himself. He had to go through a better childhood, but his dedication important. Struggle for study gave rise to a scholar of the world. But because in 1954 to 1955, Ambedkar was suffering from a serious health problem. On 6 December 1956, he died at his home in Delhi. He always used to say, if you bring change in your life, education is the first and last resort. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
खूपच सुंदर असं या बाळगेसाठी परत आपण एकदा टाळ्यांच्या गजरामध्ये स्वागत करू.
My name is Sambodhi Adesh Yadav. 14 April we are celebrating Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was an Indian economist, social reformer and political leader. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Mohur, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sappal and his mother's name was Bhimabai. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was first law minister of independent India. Good morning everyone. My name is Swajan Samar. Today I am Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I am father of modern India. Remember, education is important. Thank you.
खूप छान असं या बाळकाने आपल्याला या ठिकाणी प्रयत्न केलं. त्या बाळकाचे खरंच धन्यवाद.
Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti means the birthday of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and his birthday is celebrated on 14 April 1891. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was having master degrees in 64 subjects and able to speak 11 languages proficiently. It's no wonder that his birthday is celebrated with such a pride, honor all over the India.
पालिकेने आपल्याला या ठिकाणी वक्तृत्व स्पर्धा आपल्याला या ठिकाणी केल्याबद्दल.
जन्म 14 एप्रिल 1891 साली महू गावात झाला. त्यांच्याबद्दल म्हणजे कामगिरीबद्दल तेवढं बोलू तेवढं कमी असे मला वाटतं. आणि त्यांनी एक मुलाचा मंत्र दिला, शिका संघटित आणि संघर्ष करा. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे त्यांनी भारतीय संविधान दिले, तर आपला पूर्ण भारत चालत आहे. ते नेहमी म्हणायचे आपल्याकडे 2 रुपये असतील तर 1 रुपयाची भाकर घ्या, 1 रुपयाचं पुस्तक घ्या. पुस्तक आपल्याला जगाची शिकवे आणि भाकर आपल्याला जगाची मदत करायची. म्हणून मी म्हणतो माय बापांना बी माझे आहे ग हो. तुम्ही खाता ना भाकरीवर बाबासाहेबांची सही आहे ग. इथून मी माझी जाऊन सर्व शपथ. जय भीम जय भारत. डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांना तुम्ही निर्देशाला दिला. सर्वप्रथम तथागत भगवान गौतम बुद्ध यांना माझे परिवार तसेच समतेचा बंधुतेचा मार्ग दाखवणारे मार्गदर्शक महामानव विश्वरत्न भारतरत्न भारतीय राज्यघटनेकार बोधिसत्व डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या जयंतीनिमित्त आपण सर्वांना हार्दिक मित्रांनो, बाबासाहेब नेहमी सत्याच्या मार्गावर चालणारे खरे मार्गदर्शक होते. भ्रष्टाचार आणि केला त्यांचा प्रखर विरोध होता. तसेच जाती विरोधातच जातीभेद म्हणजे समाजाला लागलेली कीड. जोपर्यंत ही कीड नष्ट होणार नाही तोपर्यंत आपला समाज एक संघ होऊ शकत नाही.
आले किती गेले किती उडून गेले भरारा. आले किती गेले किती उडून गेले भरारा. संपला नाही आणि संपणारी नाही माझ्या भूमाचा दरारा.
आपल्याला संबोधित केलं.
या ठिकाणी वक्तृत्व झाल्यानंतर पुढील कार्यक्रमाची रूपरेषा आपल्याला सांगण्यात येईल. बालाजी भाऊ यांचं आपल्या भीमगर्जना मित्रमंडळाच्या वतीने स्वागत करण्यात येत आहे. त्यांचं स्वागत करतील आमचे प्रदीप केदारे भाऊ यांना विनंती आहे की भाऊ आपण पुढे येऊन आमचे बालाजी भाऊंचं या ठिकाणी आपण स्वागत करत आहोत. त्यांना पुष्पगुच्छ देऊन आपण या ठिकाणी सन्मानित करत आहोत. भीमाई ग्रुप मंडळातील सर्व महिलांनी संगीत खुर्ची या कार्यक्रमामध्ये 1 वाजता भाग घेऊन या कार्यक्रमाचे आपण पुढील संगीत खुर्चीचा कार्यक्रम निश्चित करे भाऊ.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं इस फ्लैग को क्रेडिट देने के लिए. ओरिजिनल वाला जिसके लिए मैंने ये फ्लैग लगवाया था. क्या
फ्लैग को क्रेडिट देने के लिए या रील्स बनाने के लिए? हाँ,
तो फिर वो वही
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं
वैसे ही देना है.
हवाबाजी करने के लिए. ऐसा बोलो.
हवाबाजी क्या होती है?
हवाबाजी ये होता है कि
मुझे रील्स बनाना.
हाँ, रील्स बनाना.
हवाबाजी बोलते हैं.
जिस तरह की रील्स हम बनाने वाले हैं उसको हवाबाजी. चलो चलो
थोड़ा शिकंजी वगैरह नींबू पानी वगैरह पी के। क्या बोलते हैं मंडली? जय भीम।